Hello dear students, again welcome to the video lecture of freshwater fish culture. Today we are going to start unit 4th of paper 2nd, that is the fish seed resources and their transport. In this unit, including the point introduction of fish seed, method of fish seed production such as burn breeding, hatching technique for different fishes. Now first one, what is mean by the fish seed? Fertilized fish egg are known as fish seed, isn't it? A simple word, they are the baby fishes used for seeding new pond in fisheries. The fish seed is a term used to include the various developing stages of fish required for the stocking pond for culture. This includes the different stages like a egg, then the hatchling, then a spawn, fry, fingerlings, juveniles, then yearlings. Okay, this all one. So in this fish seeds we were going to start the first stage, and that is the egg developing fertilized ova. The will appear the once of pair of male and female of fish successfully spawn or lay the gamete. After the fertilization, the embryonic development will start. The eggs will hatch from within 12 or to 72 hours or more, developing on the particular species. This is all about the egg. Then hatchlings, the larvae stages. Okay, the larva emerging from the fertilized egg after the hatchling is called as the hatchlings. It is characterized by presence of yolk sac and hatching, the hanging below, from where the hatchling draw the nutrition for 2 to 3 days. It's then the third one is spawn, newly hatched larva with the yolk sac. The spawn, as soon as the yolk sac, the hatchling is absorbed, it is known as spawn. At this stage, month of form and is start to taking a small zooplankton like rotifor and the supplementary feed like egg yolk, then finally powdered oil, cake and rice bran, etc. Then the next stage of a fish seed is the fry. As soon as the spawn assume the shape of the fish and grow to about 1 to 2 centimeter, it is known as fry. Young larvae after yolk sac absorb this stage. They are primarily smaller size zooplankton feeder. It takes about 7 to 10 days after the spawn to grow up to fry stage. In this stage, the mouth is well developed. Fingerling, as soon as the fry grow up to 3 to 4 centimeter size or roughly equal to half an size of a finger, is known as semi fingerlings, and as soon as fry grow up to 10 to 15 centimeter or roughly equal to the size of the finger, it is known as fingerling. The fingerling is a proper size of stocking in table fish production of pond. It take about 30 to 60 days for the fry to grow up a fingerling size. Next is the juvenile. A young one resembling adult fish. This is the juvenile. Okay. Then the yearlings, ones that are 1 year old. The yearlings, young ones that are 1 year old, are called the yearlings. Typically, the yearlings are oversized weight and stock to enhance post-stocking survival. Okay, this is these all stages of fish seed. Then fish seed production. There are fluctuation in spawn quality and quantity during the different phases of season. Spawn collect over a season from the various riverine sources of country. Different white species open the mixture of major carp and minor carp, catfish, other species. The spawn collect during the spawn season and themselves do into the group of called the saver, and consist of in the beginning of season the spawn advance in necessary to fund. Then the next is method of fish seed production. A few species of fishes breed in a pond and other confined water to large number of species as the carp, some catfish, milkfish. The bun are two types, dry bun and the wet bun. A dry bun consists of shallow pond surrounded by the earthen wall and on three sides, and during the monsoon the rain water collect in the pond such remain dry during the rest of year. And wet bun, the main pond remain water throughout the year, shallow marginal up during a summer bund gets floated to the rain water after a heavy shower breed introduced into pond and stimulated by the flow of oxygen rain water. They emerge to the shallow of area and spawn brief sexual play of the fertilized ova collect mean the mosquito net and transfer into the hatcheries, hapa and hatchings. They improved the bond. The mode of the structure improved the gate deposited a part of bond can be employed after the spawning these facilities. But both the dry and wet bond spawning occur after the continuous heavy rains, the generally cloudy days followed by the storm rain favor spawning as soon as the rain water in a bun selected a number of breeder in ratio of one female to one female to two males are introduced. Spawning is stimulated by the heavy rains ability of the spawning ground including the fresh rainwater. Then the pressure is exerted on the absorb abundant result to release the ova and meat. After the spawning over, the split fish move to deeper and part of pond, fertilize the egg collected to the mosquito net, transfer the hatcheries. I already taught you about the dry birth and the wet birth. Okay, students. Next point is the hatcheries. Developing eggs of the selected species of carp are carefully transferred into the small size of pond is called hatcheries, where they hatch into 2 to 15 hours. Okay, then next is hapa. Okay, fertilized egg or developing spawn are transferred to small rectangular tank made of the coarse cloth fixed in the river by means of a bamboo poles. This tank is called the hapas. You see in this video the image of hapas. Each of the about 90 into 45 into 30 centimeter made of round mosquito sort of cloth. This inner tank is fixed slightly larger outer tank of coarse cloth. There several such hapa fix the flowing water of a river by means of bamboo poles, and they freely egg necessary from water. The single layer of fertilized egg are separated in the inner hapa. Avoid to crowing the hatching process to the mesh into the outer hapa, then leaving the egg of membrane behind in the inner hapa. Then hatching allow the remain to 36 to 48 hours, after which they are transferred in to the nurseries. Okay, then hatching hapa is made of the being replaced with a different type of vertical hatcheries made plastic, glass, polythenes, and are used for hatching eggs. For larger number of these indoor hatcheries are more dependable in the economical also. This is about the hapa. Next and last point in this unit is a hatching technique for a different species like Heteropterus fossili, Clarias batrachus, canna. Okay, the Heteropterus fossili is these are the important fish breeding capacity of pond which without the hormone treatment. Then the breed pond paddy field after rain. Then the Clarias batrachus, the walking catfish, is species freshwater catfish, the commonly called as mangur. Large number of moles in fully matured breeder. Then the next, Anabas testudinus. This fish is easily breed in capacity in aquarium without administering hormone. The fully mature fish is released into the tank containing a fresh water, rainwater, and flowing water. This is and the temperature into 28 degree centigrade. Okay, the next is the next fish is the Notopterus, both the species Notopterus is responded spawn in spawn under controlling the without administrating harm on the spawn, fill in distributed rainwater and tubing. Okay, the various species of fish can be induced spawn and yield fry rearing of fish. So student, here our fourth unit of fish seed resources and their transport is completed. Thank you very much.